This conduit carrier kit lets you build a sturdy storage tube to virtually any length using standard 6-inch diameter PVC pipe, making it especially useful for long conduit runs on work trucks and vans. The cast aluminum end cap feels solid and uses a spring-loaded latch that opens quickly, so you can grab conduit without fighting with sticky or awkward hardware. A thick gasket in the door creates a tight seal against the PVC pipe, helping keep moisture, dust, and road grime away from your electrical conduit and fittings. Pre-drilled tabs on the ends accept a padlock, giving contractors a simple way to deter theft and keep valuable materials secure when the vehicle is unattended. The included mounting hardware is designed for ladder racks, which makes installation straightforward and results in a stable, rattle-free carrier, even on rough roads. Overall, this kit is a practical choice for electricians, plumbers, and other tradespeople who want durable, weather-resistant conduit storage without having to fabricate their own end caps and brackets.